Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable automatic language selection on the Google Translate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and now click on keyboard, and here you can find the automatic language selection option. So the keyboard will match the language that you're trying to translate. Support varies by keyboard. Make sure that you've added the language that you're translating in your device settings. So if you want to enable this feature, click on this button on the right side of the screen, meaning that it has been enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.